Hello, everyone. Welcome to Notes with Mr. Jankowski. We're on page 44 of our math notebook, and we're going to be talking about this page equivalent rates and equivalent ratios. And none of this is new. In fact, you've seen this the last few weeks, so I think all of this is going to make very good sense to you. We're going to be talking about equivalent ratios using some tables here today. And so I'm going to zoom in and get a pretty good view of what we're doing here. Undo that. Zoom in again. Hang on, let me just use my mouse pad. There we go. Okay, so 6.3 is what we're at, and it says at the top Anna's recipe for lemonade calls for 2 cups of lemonade concentrate for every 3 cups of water. So Anna's calling for 2 cups of lemonade concentrate, 3 cups of water. Then there's Bailey. Bailey also has a recipe for lemonade that calls for 3 cups of lemonade concentrate and 5 cups of water. So we're going to be comparing their lemonade recipes. All right. So in Anna's recipe, the ratio of concentrate to water says is 2 cups of concentrate for 3 cups of water. So we're going to put 2 to 3. And we're going to use the table down here to see what ratio she would use if she wanted to expand her recipe and make lemonade for more people. So I'm going to put Anna's name above this table. So we have that there. And you can see it's partially filled out already. It says concentrate to water 2 to 3. We already have that. But what if she was to double that? She's multiplying this by 2 to get 4. She'd also multiply the bottom of the ratio or the water concentrate by 2 as well, or the water amount by 2 and get 6 cups. So what if she was to do that again? Instead of multiplying it by 2, she was to multiply it by 3. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. So if she wanted to make 3 times the amount of lemonade, she'd make 6 cups of concentrate and add 9 cups of water. If she wanted to make 4 times the amount of lemonade as her original ratio, she would use 8 cups of concentrate, 12 cups of water. And if she wanted to make 5 times the amount of lemonade, she would have 2 times 5 is 10 cups of concentrate and 15 cups of water. So that's Anna's recipe. Bailey's is a little bit different. It says Bailey uses 3 cups of concentrate for every 5 cups of water. And so what I'm going to do is put Bailey's name here so that we know that this is her table. And looking at this, it says concentrate 3 cups to 5 cups of water. So if she wanted to double that, she would multiply 3 times 2 to get 6, and then she'd multiply 5 times 2 to get 10. So she'd use 6 cups of concentrate, 10 cups of water. Tripling the recipe, she'd have 9 cups of concentrate, 5 times 3, 15 cups of water. Making 4 times the amount, she would use 12 cups of concentrate, and 5 times 4 would be 20 cups of water. And then finally, if she wanted to make a huge amount, 3 cups of concentrate times 5, this would making 5 times more lemonade than her original recipe. She would be making this with 15 cups of concentrate, and 5 times 5 is 25 cups of water. Okay, so we've got these two competing lemonade recipes. We want to see which one will taste stronger, right? So let's take a look and see what it says. Find 2 columns, one in each table, in which the amount of water is the same. Circle those 2 columns. So we're looking for water, where the amount of water is the same in both columns. And it looks like Anna's recipe, where she makes 5 times as much as her original ratio, that would include 15 cups of water. And then Bailey's recipe, that includes 15 cups of water, is here. So you can see that Anna used 10 cups of concentrate for 15 cups of water. Bailey used 9 cups of concentrate for 15 cups of water. Okay. So whose recipe makes stronger lemonade? So which one has more lemonade flavoring in it, right? Well, if we look at this again, Anna's got more concentrate for 15 cups of water. She has one more extra cup of concentrate. Bailey has one less cup of concentrate for 15 cups of water. So Anna's clearly got the stronger tasting lemonade, right? So for the answer here, I'm going to say Anna's recipe is stronger because her ratio is 10 to 15, while Bailey's ratio is 9 to 15. So that extra cup of lemonade concentrate makes Anna's recipe stronger, makes it taste more like lemonade, less like water, right? And so we have these ratios down below. We're comparing the ratios using inequality symbols. Sorry, I was having trouble with that word. Comparing ratios using inequality symbols. Well, clearly, we can see that Anna's recipe of 10 cups of lemonade for 15 cups of water is it uses more of the concentrate, lemonade concentrate. It is a greater ratio, right, than 9/15. So now knowing that, we can say that her original ratio of 2/3, since it's equivalent to 10/15, is also greater than the original recipe of Bailey's ratio of Bailey's recipe, which is 3/5. So we can take a look at that using a table. We can compare two different ratios when we expand on those and look at equivalent ratios with larger amounts. So I'm going to zoom out here so we can see the whole page again. Again, we're going to be talking about this in class. So when I see you in class, we'll review this again. Please watch this video and take notes on this page. This will definitely help you on page 45. Please watch this video and take notes on this page before attempting page 45 and before seeing me in class if possible. So everybody, have a great day, and I will see you next time. Take care.